we need you.
If we need you.
So this is currently what our living room looks like. It's not very cosy. Keep fighting over whose chair is whose. We've got the suitcases on the floor because we basically just couldn't be bothered to unpack them from our trip last week around the Mediterranean. So we're just living out of them at the moment. I've taken the TV off the wall, as you can see. We're still watching it. We're just now watching it on the floor because that's how we roll. It really has started to feel cold and wintry though, and that is one of the main reasons for us to go. I really suffer with seasonal affective disorder and I just need to see a bit more blue sky. So we're heading off. We're very excited. The countdown is on. We've got a week to go. We've still got quite a lot of stuff to sell actually, so watch this space. Here is She-Ra attempting to get rid of some old drawers. Not sure if that's quite the way it's going to work. Personally, I would have taken the drawers out first. Oh God. Oh, good grief. She likes to do it her own way. It doesn't generally have any common sense or pattern to it. Just brute force and ignorance. You having fun? Yeah. Oh, look at that. Success. Are you all proud of yourself?
Yeah.
Do you feel butch now? Trying to get the clothes dry and washed before we go is not the best. So we've just got them like hanging here inside, which isn't great. And also Hayley decided that she needed something out of her suitcase. So she basically, you know, like when a dog's trying to dig for a bone, that's basically what she's done with her suitcase. But really helpful.
What are you doing? No, go away. Go away. Go away.
How are we getting on?
We're not. The house looks like a bombs at it. It's just as well as my house, not our house, is it? Beautiful decor. It's lovely. Go away. Can't be asked.
She's bored, everyone. This is it. The house is empty.
It's been a good house.
It's been a nice house. We've loved living in this village. It's been really good. But it is now time to go. Look, the kitchen's all empty. Let me go back this way because I can't be bothered to turn the camera around. Living room's all empty. And we sail tomorrow. We're excited.
Bye-bye, England.
Bye, England. Hello, the rest of the world.